This is Chris from the Traffic Safety Store. If you need new or replacement parking blocks and you want the blocks to look great, last a long time, and not cost too much, our commercial plastic parking block is a great choice. Commercial parking blocks have been made by the Traffic Safety Store since 2002 and are made from 100% recycled plastic. The reasons the commercial parking block have been so popular are because the blocks look great once they're installed, they're strong and durable, and are a great value. Let's take a look. As you can see, the blocks are strong. However, they're light enough to be handled and installed by one person. Commercial blocks are available in 3 different lengths: 70 inches, 48 inches, and 36 inches, and are all 4 inches tall. The 70-inch blocks weigh 16 pounds and are available in 7 different colors: yellow, gray, white, green, red, brown, and blue. The 48-inch and 36-inch commercial blocks are available in 5 colors: yellow, gray, white, green, and blue. Commercial blocks also have a 4-year limited warranty against breakage. So if you need new or replacement parking blocks that look great, require no maintenance, and are a great value, commercial parking blocks are a great solution. You can view all of our parking blocks at trafficsafetystore.com, or if you have further questions about any of our blocks, please call us at 800-429-9030.